Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, guys.
It's still a little brisk out, but the sun's out. It's not raining. It's gonna be a good day today.
Yeah, a little breezy. It's only like 43 or 44, but I don't know. It's gonna warm up.
Yeah, we can handle it. But no, it was a nice little night's sleep here. That's our caboose in the back there. But yeah, I figured we'd get up a little bit earlier this morning, take you guys a walk around and check out the other cabooses here.
Let's go for a walk.
Yeah. Katie's almost the size of the caboose. But just neat.
Yeah, awesome concept.
Yeah. So one of the cool things staying here is just right across the way, since the hotel and like the lobby is right there. There is a free petting zoo here. So I do have a quarter to feed the miniature horses, so they deserve a breakfast. So let's go get some feed. Billy Boy here's a little hungry, which don't let him fool you. I already gave him some feed. Dave has proof. See this little guy? What are you doing? Why you look so sad? Well, it's kind of empty, but everybody's enjoying that beautiful morning sun. And somebody's itching his face. Got an alpaca or a llama. I really don't know the distinction between the two, but we'll go with it. And even here, you get some buggy rides. Don't have to go far. I just love it so peaceful and quiet.
Yeah.
Just relaxing.
Yeah, trying to make a plan for the day.
Yeah, we have a few thoughts, but basically we're just kind of winging it this weekend.
Yeah.
Which is kind of almost sometimes the best plan, is to wing it. that'd be structurized. So
There's a lot of things not open yet. Still with COVID, and it's still really early in the season. So
yeah.
we're waiting for traffic. Yeah, because the National Train Museum that's right back over here, they're not open yet, and most of that stuff doesn't open for another couple weeks. But,
yeah, a lot of the museums with everything are still closed.
Yeah. But
it is what it is.
It's nice, it's peaceful, it's not crowded, so we're gonna enjoy it.
Absolutely. So let's walk around some more and see what we get into. We got a little area for the kiddos. Very cute. Huh. Well, supposedly this might be the view tower that's on the property. Get a nice view from there, I guess. Maybe we'll go up. We could pretend it's climbing like a lighthouse or something.
Yeah, so I was gonna say. We haven't climbed the lighthouse in a while, so.
Yeah.
Not quite as tall, but.
Let's get our cardio.
Still pretty early in the morning for that kind of climb, but I guess we'll do it.
Whatever.
Right?
It's a pretty neat view from up here.
Yeah.
Getting a shot, I guess.
I guess. I'll shrink.
Yeah. Well, I'm not.
Shrink more.
I'm short enough as it is. Well, Bruce, one, we need to get in better shape. But
This is an old slab up here on the property, and they made an observation tower out of it. The views up here are amazing.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat to look over the whole hotel and all the cabooses from up here.
And all the farmland that's here.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. I just posted some pictures on our community page, so show the people where we're at for the weekend. And pretty cool.
Absolutely. So we're going to take our video and head back down.
Enjoy the views, and we're going to go get a coffee and go get into some adventures.
Yep.
All right, guys. See you in a bit.
Dang, they got their own porch with some Adirondack chairs.
I know.
That's living.
Must be a high-class fancy room.
Must be. Although there are some rooms that do have whirlpools in them.
Yeah, ours is kind of like one of the most basic ones because it was all they had left. But they have some really nice, I guess we'll call them cabooses. Cause
that's what they are.
Hot tubs in them, and you know, there's family ones with like bunk beds for kids.
Yeah,
a whole bunch of stuff. So.
Yeah, a lot of different options here.
Yeah.
They even have the caboose frustration unit here. One of the things that we were going to do today, we're going to check out some, because there's covered bridges around the area. And we were going to check out one of them, but it's gone. Yeah.
I want to replace them.
Yeah, which stinks.
Sad.
That is sad. But there are more around the area. We'll find them. So we'll punch into the GPS and go to the next one. Found one.
Yeah, this is... Esselman's Milk.
You've arrived.
They're just so neat how they're constructed. All that. So, we're gonna find another one. There's a bunch around here. And that's where we stayed at last time.
That's a nice place.
That is a nice place. Got another one. At least this one we can walk to. The Willows Covered Bridge. Pretty neat. At least we could actually walk and explore it.
Yeah.
Even though it's next to the busy Route 30, as you can hear in the background, but
This is where the old road was.
yeah.
Back in simpler times when people weren't so crazy. Pretty much.
Yeah.
But, not just this area's.
The whole area is beautiful. And it's just, well, it's mid-April. Maybe for a lot of vehicles go by, but just like things are blooming here. There's color. It just looks so nice here. So
I think we're gonna go find a bite to eat for breakfast and then continue on.
absolutely. Yeah, let's try eating at the Speckled Hen. Sounds good. We got an egg and cheese on a croissant. And you got some very delicious looking French toast. Needless to say, we approve. It's very, very good. Oh, okay. You just put it on the crack, is that what you
I
do?
guess. Yeah.
You put a rock near it so that way you know it'll fall. Okay. That's a trick I learned when I was little.
Oh.
Put something that you know is, yep.
Jugga, 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 jugga. just like that. We put a penny on the track and got flattened. A little souvenir. Some horses at work there.